एक तो you can't take away that there were two brilliant actors.
Yeah.
Though entire dialogues are with Mahmood Saab, there is it Om Prakash sir?
Yeah,
The
reaction to
his reaction is he's getting scared, right?
Yes.
अब वो background score and whole drama has been shot. Now, first of all, it's written very well. It's like, so everything comes up. Of course, there's brilliant performance to it, but eventually, that entire scene is set in a comedy film. That scene is because he wants to be a filmmaker and he's trying to sizzle. So the set of audiences come to laugh. So they're already laughing. But when I say that comedies are easy where actors can pull off, but horror comedies predominantly it weighs more on director's shoulders than actors' shoulders, because as actors we are only looking at few things, but as director, and kudos to Aditya because he is someone who is so involved as a maker. And he understands because there are so many cuts, right? For the actor, it is very difficult to understand कि कौन सा cut कहाँ पे जा रहा है. He knows exactly यहाँ पे ना scarecrow का cut आएगा. There's a thing VFX में ये सब होने वाला है. Only he understands that.
That way, तो Aditya knew the whole film. So when you talk, he would just break it down for us कि ये होगा, फिर एक moment आएगा, इधर scare चाहिए, फिर उधर. He had broken down the film. So you're right, absolutely.
You know, but I'll tell you this also, that it's very important for a director, for the actors to believe that this world that they are kind of walking into is real. You know, it's very important that Victor believes कि भूत है. Victor का approach उस पूरे scene में जहाँ पे वो भूत से लड़ रहा है या even उसको tackle कर रहा है, his conviction is there कि this world is a world that I have bought into and I have walked into, and that is extremely important to pull off a horror comedy.
आप शॉर्ट स्पैन में 2 हॉरर कॉमेडी फिल्में आपने कर ली. मुंजिया इज परफॉर्मिंग रियली वेल एंड देन अब ककूदा आ रही है. तो ये क्या एक चैलेंज होता है एज ए डायरेक्टर कि 2 फिल्में जो सेम जॉनरा से हैं और मतलब कहानी अलग होगी, किरदार अलग होंगे, लेकिन उनको कैसे फ्रेश तरीके से ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाया जाए?
So actually this is my back to back third film which is a horror comedy. मैंने एक मराठी में ज़ॉम्बीवली नाम की फिल्म की थी जो भी एक हॉरर कॉमेडी थी. तो ना आप ऐसी फिल्में जब भी करते हो ना तभी आप उस दुनिया को अलग हिसाब से देखना ट्राई करते हो. जैसे अभी मुंजा वाज अ वेरी महाराष्ट्रियन फोकलोर क्रीचर, बट ककूडा इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड दैट वी बिल्ड. जो ब्रिज भाषा में ह्यूमर है, जो पूरे राजस्थान मथुरा यूपी के बॉर्डर का गांव है, उसकी डायनेमिक्स ही अलग है. उस गांव का पूरा नैरेटिव ही अलग है. तो ना आप ऐसी जब भी दुनिया बनाते हो ना तो आई फील द हॉरर कॉमेडी, any horror comedy take, right from Stree to Bhul Bhulaiya, works and works only if you build the world really well. The world building of it is what you as an audience walk into. And as a director, I have to see to it that as an overview, beyond the scenes, beyond the punch, beyond the horror, you have to see to it ki, am I being able to put this world in front of you with conviction? And are you believing that you're walking into this world, believing that एक ककूड़ा है, एक मुंजा है और एक zombies होते हैं? You have to buy into that. If you don't buy into that, none of it works. And that is the biggest task of any filmmaker who makes horror comedies, that you take the best of horror comedies in the world. The minute the film starts, you have bought into the fact, you have walked into a world where you believe all that's happening in the world is real. And that is, I think, the biggest task. Yeah.